Even though he wants more.
So hey guys, today we are feeding Boo Boo. My mom named him or her, but she thinks it's a he.
You got it. Swallow it.
So you guys know his beaks do not hurt when they bite.
You want up?
We named him Boo Boo. Right, Mom?
Hi, baby. You think you're hungry, but you just ate a bunch.
Oh, he's getting sleepy,
Got a
Mom.
little bug on him.
It's like I'm hungry. I can't make up my mind, Ma. Help me.
Yeah.
So we found out he is kind of like a pet because every time when we put him on the grass, he poops. Let me zoom out. There you go. Go, guys. My mom named him Little Boo Boo.
You gonna poop again?
Yeah, when he goes all crazy, he'll poop. We gotta watch out. He might shoot out like on the window. Oh no, he's sleepy, I think.
It's a well-fed birdie.
Today, earlier, my mom was gonna take him outside to take a poop. Instead, it got all over the window. He shot it out. Yeah, but she cleaned it at least.
Look, he hangs on now.
He's like, Mommy, no. Wait, are his wings sharp or no?
Mm-mm.
Oh. I always wanted to feel his wings.
You ready? You wanna learn? Get your wings out. Let's get your wings out. He says maybe if you perch on your feet a little more. Woo! Got one wing. There we go. Wing action.
This is what not mommy birds do, but they're like,
I want him to stay strong.
this is what mommy birds do. They fly, and then let's see,
No,
drop
they
dead.
kick him out of the nest.
They drop dead or they'll just fly. Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you crying to me? Oh, he likes me, Mom.
No, he crawls to the sound.
Hi. Hmm. Oh, sorry guys, I was blocking the camera. Alright guys, so he's gonna take a little nap. We might record him later. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and say night night boo boo. Night night boo boo. Bye guys.